Hi everyone, today let's solve a Leetcode question called 2 sum 2 input array sorted. So this question is basically very similar with previous question 2 sum, but the only difference is that in this question, the array has now sorted from smallest number to the largest number. So for example, in here we have number all the way from 2 to 15. So it comes from the small 2 from largest 15. And we want to find two nonce that's down to 9. And here we see, okay, we have 2 and 7, which satisfy the requirement. So we turn the index of 2 and 7, which is 1 and 2. Okay. I think the question is very straightforward, right? Now let's think about how to utilize this condition to help us speed up the searching. Actually, for this sorted array problems, we can always use the 2-pointer strategy. So for the 2-pointer, let me drop it out here. We can initialize that pointer at the beginning, right? So let me use this red for the left pointer, and then we will initialize the right pointer at the end. So let's use the green for the right pointer. And after that, we want to calculate the current sum, which is the sum on left numbers at left and numbers at right. So let's use the orange for the current sum. Okay, so the current sum is the sum on numbers at left. So numbers, let's use L for left. Numbers at right. So you use this R for the right. And then we see, okay, the numbers have the left pointer 2. And the numbers this right pointer 15, right? So the current sum is 17. But we find, okay, 17 is obviously greater than this target. Therefore, we have to move the right pointer left to search for smaller numbers. So let's change it here. And move the right pointer to the previous position. Okay, so currently, I found, okay, the left is still 2, but the right changed to 11, right? So we change this 15 to 11. And therefore the sum is 13. However, 13 is still greater than 9. That's why we have to check the further left position. So let's change it out and go to 7. And now we're at 7. The left number is still 2. But the right number is currently 7, right? So change this one and write 7 here. And so far, the current sum is 2 plus 7, so it should be 9. Okay, so write 9 here. And now we found, okay, 9 equal to 9, and we have found what we want. So the only thing we want to do is return the index for the left pointer, which is 1, and the index for the right pointer, which is 2. Okay, I hope my explanation works. And now let's dive into the coding part. Okay, so for this 2-pointer, the first thing to write the general approach, and then want to initialize left pointer at the beginning and right pointer at the end. Now let's actually run the 2-pointer search. While left smaller equal to right, this means the 2-pointer search is still valid. We want to calculate the current sum, right? And then if the result match, we return the index. If the result is too small, then we check the right for small greater values. If the result is too large, we search left for smaller values. So current sum is numbers at left plus numbers at right. That change here to numbers, so it will be easy to write. Okay, and if our current sum exactly target, then we find what we want. So we turn the index left and right, but since we are working in Python, we have to add a +1. Okay. Now, otherwise, if found current sum is smaller than target, this means we have to check the right element by moving the left pointer right. And otherwise, we have to check the left element by moving the right pointer left. Okay, let's move the result to see it works. Okay, you see the high capacity memory usage of this solution is not bad, right? And the coding part is very short and easy to understand. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And I see you next time. Thank you.